Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Monday CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you export your contacts from Monday CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to export your contacts from Monday CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider, and you want to make sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Monday CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Monday CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to export your contact from Monday CRM, there's a few different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is you can download your entire account. And by downloading your entire account, it's going to include your contacts. So you're going to click up here on your initials. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on administration. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see a menu here on the left, and you want to make sure you click on general. Once you click on general, you'll see these three options here, and you click on account. Once you click on account, if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this export account data, export your whole account in a zip file. So you want to click here on export. Okay, now you can see it's going to start processing. They do let you know the account data can be exported once every 24 hours. So this is a test account, so there's not too much data in it. So it went through pretty quick, and they let me know immediately that a download link has been sent to my email, and it's going to be valid for about 24 hours. However, if you want to simply download just your contacts, let me go back to the home screen. Okay, once you go back to the home screen, here on the left, you can click on contacts. Once you do that, here on the top right, you're going to click on these three little dots. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to hover over more actions. After that, you want to go ahead and click on export board to Excel. Once you click there, you want to click on export. Okay, so now my contacts have been exported. So once it's exported, you're going to have to clean up the data. So let me open up the file and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here is what it looks like. But you can see you're going to have to clean this up a little bit, but it includes your active contacts, their name, their email, and any kind of other data that you had on those particular contacts. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download your contacts from your Monday CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.